actually want to go first. So Dad, remember? We only have the seat and wheel. He made sure it's all fit, good. It's all good. So they added a lap bar and wheels now. So now we're good to go. Good. And so look, when we're heading up, they're building it. Here we go. They're starting to build it. The last thing they add is this piece.
I don't like that piece.
Why? They added it. Whoa! Snap it. Oh! Oh! Wow! I like that job. I like that job. Daddy, I like that job.
Yeah, it's a fun job.
And then, like Daddy, when we're heading slowly, they take off all the parts. Like outside the paper. Here comes another job. Whoa. Ooh. Whoa. The brakes work. Whoa. At least the brakes work. Whoa. The turns work. The brakes work at least.
That's a plus. Oh!
What? Wait, Daddy, what were you gonna say?
I said that's a plus that the brakes work. Well, yeah.
This was fun, but now it's done. Dad, what's I thought you were holding your